Papua New Guinea is a beautiful and bountiful country, boasting an incredible 853 different languages, and with a unique and rich cultural heritage which is still very much alive today. Bukblong Pikinini was founded in 2007 with a mission to help increase literacy rates and foster a love of reading and learning.
Here is the sun. Here is the sea.
My name is Kathy and my surname is Ao. I'm currently attending BbP Catholic Secondary School. I'm doing grade 9 this year. I attended Bukblong Pikinini at the year 2012 when I was 3. The library I attended was at 6 Mile. I love reading because it inspires me and it improves my English. The most thing I love about the library center is because we have reading sessions, which I love so much because we get to choose what type of book we get to read. And as for myself, I choose books like fairy tales because they make me feel like I'm in a whole new world and I can just be myself.
Over the past 15 years, we have sought to achieve this mission by re-establishing hundreds of school libraries, supporting public libraries with large book donations, and building more than 25 Bukblong Pikinini library learning centers across the country, together with our generous donors and partners.
The partnership between the Sir Brian Bell Foundation and Bukblong Pikinini started in 2018. Over the years, we have seen the development of partnerships with many foundation family members with Bukblong Pikinini, such as Newnet, St John's Ambulance, Port Moresby Nature Park, the Kimura Foundation, the Turtle Bag Foundation, the Good Samaritan Foundation, and of course the Brian Bell Group. There is nothing more exciting than working with like-minded people to better the outcomes for our children and our communities. Together we can provide PNG's children with solid foundations through Bukblong Pikinini's Early Childhood Literacy and Numeracy Program, Special Needs Program, support for school teachers through the Comprehensive Teacher Training and school library re-establishments. The Foundation looks forward to working closely with the Bukblong Pikinini team for many years to come. Congratulations on 15 years.
I want to be a banker. There is a lot to learn.
Education, that's building the future. We may have all the natural resources, but at some point, our people, the education and the support and the money that you put into education, that becomes the next resource or the real resource for PNG going forward. So I would definitely encourage people to come on board, support Bukblong Pikinini, similar to what Steamships has done. Once you educate a child, you educate a family, and you educate the country as a whole. What type of Papua New Guinea I would like to see in 15 years? The future is, you can't really tell, but we can hope. And hope is a powerful tool. And once we start to influence that hope in the next generation, they can be able to craft that part. Because when you think about 15 years from now, there will be another Velarupa that's going to come on board and be the next wave of leaders. So what we do now in terms of influencing the growth for the future is things like education, what Bukblong Pikinini is doing. One day, one of those kids that has come through the Bukblong Pikinini system for the last 13 years could be another important decision maker and an influence of PNG going forward. So I'm very hopeful for the future and what Bukblong Pikinini is doing. We're on the right path, investing in our people, educating our people. That's key. And all we have to do is be hopeful and supportive of that process.
Hello, my name is Christabella Pomoraraga, and I'm gonna be reading you a book called When I Grow Up. When I grow up, I want to be an architect. What do I want to be when when I grow up? I want to be an architect.
I first heard about Book Belong Pickaninny right as I got into Papua New Guinea, into my new role. I was not sure what it was when I was asked to go and speak with the teachers who were recently completing a certification that ExxonMobil was sponsoring. But once I found out more information, I was super pleased to learn that ExxonMobil was involved in sponsoring such an organization. The fact that Book Belong Pickaninny has been around for 15 years now, providing early literacy and numeracy skills to the communities here in which we operate is very important to us, because we know how important literacy, numeracy, all those things are, not just as we develop children and their young minds, but also as we develop industries and as we develop a nation.
When I visit building sites, I will wear a hard hat and a high-vis vest.
BsP's participation with Book Belong Pickaninny is very much around not just the early learning for children, but also more especially those children who otherwise wouldn't have access to early learning facilities which are pay for use, and the support that we provide for Book Belong Pickaninnies is very much in those areas where there's not a lot of where there's some more financial disadvantage, and gives those children who are in those areas the opportunity to start their early learning, start those pathways and prepare them for their elementary school and primary school, and then give them a better opportunity of being able to progress through their educational pathways in a better manner than which otherwise would have been available without the likes of Book Belong Pickaninny.
When the project is finished, I hope the clients are happy and will enjoy the space. What do you want to be when you grow up? The end. Thank you for listening.
Hello, my name is George Constantino from the Constantino Group of Companies. We've been working with the Book Belong Pickaninny for since inception. We've been actively involved as a sponsor for the 3-mile clinics and 6-mile and 9-mile facilities. The 3-mile clinic assists children in their health recovery so that they don't miss out on the learning. I find this particularly important to set foundations for the next generation of Papua New Guineans. Without proper improvement of literacy levels such as just normal reading, but also financial literacy and computer literacy levels, Papua New Guinea is going to be caught in a very, very vicious cycle, so improving it at such young age is quite critical.
Yet much remains to be done. We believe libraries play a fundamental role in society as a gateway to knowledge and culture. The resources and services they offer create opportunities for learning, support literacy and education. Quite simply, libraries offer a means by which we can gain access to knowledge.
I received a good number of children from Book Belong Pickaninny, from three centers, 9 Mile, Monia, Uni, and 6 Mile. To my experience, we find them very easy to communicate. We communicate very well with them because they are very helpful to us. They help us demonstrate as well. We use them as our learning kits too, because they are very fast, or they're very good in phonics, because we are teaching phonics, jolly phonics in the school, and they learn them there and they are here in the school. We find it very easy to communicate with them for our children's learning. Books, the tools that helps the child's learning grow. So in Worship Elementary School, I think we should have a lot of books for each student, and I hope we should have donors to support us, support the schools in giving us books so that children read a lot in their own classrooms. The teachers make own classroom libraries, because right now we use children to collect books from house or buy at shops. So teachers create their own library, small libraries in the classroom. If only donor support, distribute a lot of books, help us with books so that our children continues reading in the school.
Unfortunately, most schools in Papua New Guinea no longer have a library or books in the classroom to support the children's education. The children's thirst for knowledge about the world that surrounds them is not quenched.
That's my big wish, and I know personally that I know from these books, I know my children will be boosted, because my children are well advanced, because I have children from Book Belong Pikinini coming in, and they are advanced children in learning. So I wish in future my school is the biggest school, so I wish I should have the library on its own, so that it will support my children in reading.
At Book Belong Pikinini, we believe in starting with the very youngest. We have created an inclusive early childhood education program to provide 5-year-old children with solid foundations in literacy, basic maths and problem solving, digital learning supported by our very own learning app, and we also teach health awareness and discipline. The program is free and the children are enrolled for 1 year before starting school. During this period, we witness a tremendous change in the children. International research states the importance of early childhood education as a vital key to long-term academic success, but also warns of the detrimental effects if children are not stimulated at a young age.
My electorate is quite unique. We are the indigenous landowners of the capital city, the biggest city in the region. We are also a minority group. Unfortunately, because of the urban drift. There's nearly 1 million people, and we are merely 5% of that population. There was a time in the past where the Motukoita people had the advantage of access to education at every opportunity. So those opportunities no longer exist, and that's the reason we are here today. That's the reason for partnering with organizations that can provide that opportunity. So the roofing is now going up for the 6 brand new classrooms. Out of the 6, 1 of them will be the library, and the other 5 will be the classrooms for the students. This structure is brand new. Since the 1950s, that was the last time they developed this area. So it's well overdue for something of this size to go up. The student population has grown. Some of the elites of Tatana didn't have a school, so all the students from Tatana used to come here. So some of the elites from Tatana village and Baroni village went through this very school from here to become to achieve greatness. And this is why we're here. We're in a city that's growing rapidly, and I feel that if we do not have an educated population, if my indigenous people of Motukoita are not educated, we will become a dying ethnic group. So that's the end of the line for us. So it is my vision, it is my passion to make this work, and I feel in order to make this work, the partnership with Book Belong Pikinini and early learning is crucial.
Book Belong Pikinini's program includes phonics and play-based learning to keep the children engaged and enjoying the learning process. As a result, most children are able to read by the end of the year, some even sooner.
When I grow up, I want to be an ICT officer.
Other children greatly grow in confidence, which has long-lasting effects on their overall performance at school.
Hi, my name is Lala Tanya. I'm from Baroni Village. In 2015, I attended Buklong Pikinini in UPNG. I've learned a lot at Buklong Pikinini. It helped me read as well as my grades I've made in big schools. When I was at Buklong Pikinini, my favorite book was Little Red Riding Hood, because the little girl was brave enough to defeat that bad wolf from the grandmother. It did help me a lot. Like when I was at grade 1, I got 3 prizes. Thanks to Buklong Pikinini, it gave me the courage to do that. I got Maths and English first, second Maths and Science first, second English. I want to be a doctor so that I can help those who are in need, that they're in pain, so I can help them to recover. This is a paper of my certificate when I was at Buklong Pikinini, where I successfully finished all my year. Certificate of Attainment. This certificate is awarded to Lola Tanya Sepoy, who has successfully completed the required 1 year Early Childhood Literacy program offered by BbP Pikinini. Given this August 12, 2015.
Once Buklong Pikinini children enter the formal school system, teachers are pleased with their excellent reading and writing skills and their behavior in the classroom.
Baya, she's one of the top students I have. In term 1, she has scored 98%. 98%. She did out of 50. In English, she scored 50. In math, she scored 48. And the other subjects, she did extremely well. So I can say about Baya, I can say she's an independent learner. She has great influence on her peers as well, because she reads, she influences the others to hold books and read. When it comes to class activities, she's an independent learner.
My name is Baya and I'm from Tatana Village, and I'm currently having grade 6 in Tatana Primary School. When I was in BbP Pikinini, my favorite activity was learning phonics, like blending sounds and making actions. And my favorite book was Cinderella. When I was reading that book of Cinderella, I learned some words that I don't know. So I was well prepared to be a good student and to have good grades. I was well-behaved student in the classroom. And my favorite subjects are English and maths. When I grow up, I want to be a teacher like my mom.
She enjoys her learning. I believe that she's working towards achieving her goals. She plans to become a teacher. That's what she said at the start of the school. And I believe that she's going to make a good teacher. I really admire BbP Pikinini, because they've opened their doors to our school, Tatana Primary. Grades 6, 7, and 8, we have encouraged them to do research. Having BbP Pikinini facility within our community, the students have the privilege to go and do research, and I have seen that they have produced a lot of good work out from the research that they are doing. And also the other grades, the lower grades, because we don't have proper class libraries, we are encouraging students to move down with their teachers to borrow books. So that's a big thank you to BbP Pikinini. So what you're doing tremendous work here. And I believe it's influencing not only the school-age kids, but it's also encouraging the little ones at home. You know, I've seen my little nieces and nephews, they are wanting and they are eager to step into Bukbilong Pikinini.
Parents are happy about their children's newfound abilities and are impressed with Bukbilong Pikinini's program and teachers.
Lola's development in her studies or in her academic life is obvious because Bukbilong Pikinini has prepared her in her schooling, and I've seen that it is evident through her speech, through her writing, and through her communication with her peers. She seems to stand out of the peer group. Having gone through the program, I believe it has helped her a lot. And in academically, since Lola's schooling, she's never missed out in awards, academic awards. For every year, academic year, she has been getting prizes for major subjects. Firstly, I'm very grateful to say thank you, and I'd like to acknowledge the concept and the program, which is Bukbilong Pikinini, in the communities, because I see there's a need and it's very vital for early childhood development in terms of education and academic. Despite the background you come from, Bukbilong Pikinini can give you the better chance to excel. And I've seen it as a villager, not coming from a suburb area, but from a urban village. I've seen my daughter excel through Bukbilong Pikinini program, and I know this program can change the lives of children despite situation and settings we come from. It may be in the suburbs, it may be in the settlements, in the traditional villages, but Bukbilong Pikinini has the potential to lift the children's education level to compete with other students in education.
Our teachers are the heart of the organization, and we provide ongoing training and support to ensure quality teaching at all times.
I love being a teacher, to teach the little children, because children are the future leaders of Papua New Guinea. Teacher is all about teaching the little children or little kids how to read and write. They know nothing about school, but when they come to Bukbilong Pikinini, they learn so much and they gain so much knowledge. They enjoy learning here with Bukbilong Pikinini. We plant the seed now to set them up for primary and secondary schools.
Our teacher training program is now available to elementary and primary school teachers throughout PNG and includes strategies for classroom management, lesson planning, phonics, sign language, digital learning, and much more. Teachers who have received training and the school library kit from Bukbilong Pikinini find new motivation and joy in going about their daily teaching. If you can read, you can learn anything. Bukbilong Pikinini seeks to ignite the spark that sets the children on a path to success with their reading and learning. We do this by publishing books that the children can relate to and see themselves and their culture in the first books they read.
Papua New Guinea needs to have a well-informed, a well-educated workforce. In order to achieve this, we have to start at the very, very beginning, at the basics. So linking it with the Bukbilong Pikinini program, having literacy workshops, initiatives, interventions, starts that process. And that all goes well for PNG's development. Everybody needs to play their role. It's not just government. We cannot rely on government alone to carry this for us. They have limited resources. So we in the business community, we in the private sector, just general community in our villages, in our neighborhoods, we can play our part we all put in together and chip in, and we help address some of these socio-economic issues that confront us as a country.
Each library learning center has more than 3,000 books to stimulate the children's interest, and they can take books home for reading every day. Thanks to the support from our book donors and partners, we have been able to bring more than 1.5 million books to Papua New Guinea children.
Well, you know, the Early Childhood Development Program is very important given that the low literacy rates in PNG is some of the lowest in the Pacific. So it's very great. It's great to see the look on the kids' faces. We were actually honoured enough to be there at the second opening, which I believe is the library at 6 Mile on that day way back 13 years ago, and to see the wide-eyed looks and the big grins when they were rummaging through the books, it was fantastic. It really warmed my heart. So yeah, we're very, very proud to be part of that, even though we play a very small part.
So the partnership with Book Belong Pikanini started in 2009. Since then, we've had about sort of 2 shipments a month through our location here at Port Moresby. I believe in that time we've imported about 1.5 million books, which is a great effort by both sides. And annually we import about 200,000, so it's a huge effort to get them in off the wharf, and it's a partnership that we have with Book Belong Pikanini and CFast.
Let's make sure we bring even more so we can reach many more schools and students across the country.
With PNG and Book Belong Pikanini, our partnership started off in 2016. This year would be about 6 years now since we started off, and with that, over the years, that's amounted to thousands and thousands of books all across PNG that PNG has helped to airlift. We're happy to continue to assist in moving the books and having them in the libraries all across the country. It'll make our next generation more brighter and smarter. That's why it's a good partnership for us as well.
We are grateful to each and every individual, company, group, schools, organization, family, club, church, teacher, volunteer, embassy, community, local and international government bodies and programs, and Book Belong Pikanini team members, which have helped us reach our 15th anniversary milestone. Let us now look to the next 15 years. Our lives are better if their lives are better. Every child deserves the opportunity to have an education.
Congratulations to Book Belong Pikanini on your 15-year anniversary of just providing the most wonderful services that young minds could ever need, which is focused on early literacy and early numeracy.
Congratulations, Book Belong Pikanini, on your 15 years anniversary. Commendations on the fantastic work that you have done thus far in informing, educating our young people. At NASFAN, we look forward to another 15 years and beyond as we continue this partnership for the benefit of our young people of Papua New Guinea.
On behalf of the CPL Group of Companies, CPL Foundation and Sam Hesh Patel, I would like to congratulate Book Belong Pikanini on their 15th anniversary. We are proud and honored to be part of an organization that's contributing towards education of our children, and we look forward to supporting them in the future.
Congratulations, Book Belong Pikanini, on your 15th year anniversary. From Wabukori Women's Development Association and the community, the teachers, and the children.
Congratulations on the 15-year anniversary. On behalf of the board, management and staff of Steamships, we would like to congratulate you on your anniversary. We look forward to the next 15 years and what the potential of opportunity, plus the value to our PNG children.
Congratulations, Book Belong Pikanini, on your 15th year anniversary.